Drivers often underestimate the distance they should leave when following other motorists on our freeways, and many don't even know what the 3-second rule is. However, following this rule and traveling at a safe distance behind other motorists is one of the most important ways to avoid a collision, injuries, or fatality. If you spent any amount of time on a California freeway, you've probably seen a few collisions, been involved in one, or hopefully avoided them. Taking precautions is never going to prevent all traffic accidents, but it can minimize your risk. My name is James Johnson, and I'm a personal injury attorney here in California. Let's face it, there are too many vehicles on our freeways, and traffic accidents are an everyday occurrence. Take, for example, a fatal crash I heard about early this morning in Solano County. The CHP reported 4 vehicles were involved in the collision after one crashed and spun around. The vehicle wound up sideways in traffic lanes. Then along comes a driver in an Audi who was not able to avoid crashing into the first vehicle. The Audi crashes into the blacked out vehicle. Paramedics responded and found one man unresponsive and trapped in one of these cars. Unfortunately, they had severe injuries and died at the scene. It's certainly difficult to avoid a crash like this one, but there's a simple rule that may prevent this type of traffic accident, or at least lessen the impact. It's called the 3-second rule. Safety experts came up with this to help motorists estimate the correct driving distance for following other vehicles. It takes about 1.5 seconds to notice traffic slowing down ahead of the driver and about 1.5 seconds to react, hit the brakes, and slow down. I don't know if any of these drivers involved in the Vallejo crash were driving too closely, but anytime you are at freeway speeds, this 3-second rule could help you avoid some accidents. For example, it's not uncommon for a car to crash with the center divider, spin around, and wind up facing traffic. So if you are driving in the carpool or fast lane, following this rule is a must. At 65 miles per hour, that means a vehicle travels at 95 feet per second. So a driver should leave at least 3 seconds of distance between their vehicle and the vehicle in front of them. Drivers should count to 3 after the vehicle in front of them passes a fixed point on the road. This could be a light pole, a tree, a bridge, or any other fixed object. It's easy to start counting 1 1001, 1 1002, and so forth. If your vehicle reaches that same object before you finish counting, you are too close. If you are driving in bad weather, add 1 more second to your counting. Also, heavier vehicles such as a pickup or SUV should also add 1 second, and large trucks or buses should follow a 6-second rule. This month, there are more motorists than ever traveling for the Christmas, Hanukkah, and New Year's Eve holidays. That makes December one of the most dangerous times to travel. So please share this rule with your family, friends, or anyone who drives. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or would like to discuss a topic. And finally, subscribe for more content like this.